Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's look at what's happening in the market and what can we plan for the next 2 days ahead before the expiry ends. So firstly, let's start with Bank Nifty. I told you ये जो last week का जो candle है, it's a doji candle. Doji candle means indecision. Indecision means you have to wait for either the high or the low to break. Current week अपनी जो बन रही है बहुत ही छोटी सी कैंडल है वो, ओके. सो इसमें अच्छा मूव आएगा. इस करंट वीक का हाई लो जब टूटेगा ना, तब अच्छा मूव आने का पॉसिबिलिटी पूरा है. एडिशनली द लास्ट वीक्स हाई एंड लो वी हैवंट टेकन देम आउट येट, so I'm just waiting for that patiently. If the last week's high or low gets taken out, I'll plan a trade accordingly. See, 2-3 videos ago I told you like the market most likely is we need it to break this current range, which was 47,400 on the upside and 46,400 on the downside. This 1,000 point range made trading. Okay, so until this range we are breaking, we need a daily candle close above or below it. And I'm going to try to talk only in English today because I got quite a few comments yesterday saying that like if I only speak in Hindi, a lot of English viewers can't like benefit from the analysis. So I'm trying only English today. Yeah, so we need the market to break this 1,000 point range. So wherever we get a daily candle close above the high or the low of the range, then we'll be planning the trade in that direction itself. Now what can you see from today's candle? आज की candlestick क्या बताती है? दोजी again. So दोजी में usually what you have to do, trade the high and the low. Okay, so what has happened? I told you yesterday there are 4 red candles being formed. Okay, ये जो red candles है, they are being formed. So green candle का possibility becomes very high. Okay, so today we got the green candle. Okay, and if market wants to continue its bearishness, so we need to take down today's low. Now if we take out today's low, then ये जो green candle का low, this low which you can see, that will be taken out as well. So if you want to plan a bearish trade, plan it below today's low. Most likely you have decent chances of winning then. And if you want to plan a bullish trade, I would ideally like I would wait for the last 2-day high to get broken. Okay, both are dojis, so both mean indecision, which means last दोनों candle अगर indecision के है, then we need a break of the higher low of both the candles, then most likely we'll get a good move. On the 15-minute time frame, I drew this trend line yesterday and I told you we need a good bearish candle closing below it. And also on the daily chart, I had told you this green candle, no, the strong green candle, uske niche also we need a candle close. So below the trend line, we did get this entry, okay, but it happened near a support. So we just avoided that thing. We didn't take a trade on it, because support also was pretty close by. So we thought if it gives one more candle close below this, then we'll enter and we'll carry decent positions, okay, on the bearish side, of course. Now that's what didn't happen. It didn't break the support, okay, which we wanted to on the daily time frame. We were expecting that range to be broken. It didn't, so we avoided the trade. And currently, like since the expiry is pretty nearby, what you can do, you can sell far OTM triangles, okay, until the market is in the last 2-day high low range. Yeah, in this range, try to deploy like smaller positions in far OTMs. So if it stays range bound, you try to make some money. And if it does give a break of the either the last 2-day high or last 2-day low, then we can plan a directional bet. Let's start with Nifty then. Nifty's weekly candle is pretty like bullish the last week, okay. So we expected all the puts to go to zero in Nifty. Now, when can you plan a bullish move? Like if you want to plan a new one, where can you plan? So you are going to plan it above the all-time high level in Nifty. Last week का जो high निकलेगा, उसके बाद you can try for a bullish move. And since it's an all-time high, it's like pretty bullish. So not to think of any bearishness in Nifty at least, because it's like very close to all-time high. Today's candlestick in Nifty, what does it tell you? It tells me it's a bullish engulfing, which means I'm expecting the market to gap up tomorrow and I'm expecting market to stay bullish tomorrow. Okay, usually this is what happens with bullish engulfings. If you take up the last 2 days high in Nifty, you're most probably like there are decent chances of you hitting all-time high. And if you want to plan bearishness very small, you can do it below the last 2 days low. Okay, if you get a candle close below this, but the main level which we want to look for is this swing, which is 21,875, which I told you yesterday in our video. So it will become, so below 21,875, you know what the structure will happen? It will become like an M pattern. So this is what we look for to take selling trades on the larger time frame, because you got a lower low. If the market is consolidating, it's pretty good for you, because when there's too much of consolidation, the breakout is pretty good. So let's see, based on today's candle, okay, in Nifty at least I'm expecting bullish like day tomorrow. And since it's pretty close to its all-time high, it can touch it very quickly as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you enjoy our videos. And let's keep the like target for this video at least 400, because all of you support us really well. And we are very happy to be doing this YouTube. And we just love reading your comments. So keep them coming, and I'll see you tomorrow in my analysis. Thank you for watching.